What is the difference between experiential learning and hands-on learning? If you're curious about the differences between experiential learning and hands-on learning, you're not alone. Both terms are often used in educational contexts, but they have some distinct differences. Let's start with hands-on learning. This method involves students learning by directly participating in activities. It's all about practical application, where students engage in tasks like experiments, creating models, or solving problems. Hands-on learning is great for kinesthetic learners who learn best through doing rather than just reading or listening. For example, in a chemistry class, students might conduct lab experiments to learn about chemical reactions. Now let's look at experiential learning. This approach goes beyond just doing. It involves a full cycle of learning. Experiential learning includes 4 key elements: concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. It's not just about the activity itself, but also about reflecting on what you've learned and how it applies to real-life situations. For instance, if you're on an internship, you'd not only perform the tasks, but also reflect on what you've learned and how you can apply it in the future. One of the main differences is the reflection component. Hands-on learning focuses on the immediate experience and the skills gained from it, whereas experiential learning emphasizes the reflection and analysis of that experience. In experiential learning, students explore, experience, connect, and create to relate new knowledge to their prior understanding. They also share and reflect on their experiences to integrate what they've learned. Another key difference is the scope. Hands-on learning can be a part of experiential learning, but doesn't encompass the entire cycle. Experiential learning is more holistic, involving a continuous process of learning, reflecting, and applying knowledge. It's not just about the hands-on activity, it's about how that activity fits into a broader learning process. In summary, while both methods involve practical activities, experiential learning includes a deeper reflective process and a broader cycle of learning, making it a more comprehensive approach to education. Hands-on learning is more focused on the immediate practical application and skill building, but it can be a part of the larger experiential learning cycle. Understanding these differences can help you choose the best approach for your learning needs.